What are the coordinates of the intersection of the graphs of 2x plus 3y is equal to 4 and 6x minus 2y is equal to 1? So what we're going to do, we need to find the value of x as well as y. So first, we will take up the first equation, which is 2x plus 3y plus is equal to 4. Now, we need to get the value of x through this given equation by taking 2x is equal to 4 by transposing it, kaya magiging minus siya, minus 3y. In short, kung x lang talaga, that will be 4 minus 3y divided by 2. Ayan po. Ito ang gagamitin natin for us to substitute sa second equation, which is 6x minus 2y is equal to 1. We're about to substitute the x. That will be 6 by the quantity of 4 minus 3y divided by 2 minus 2y is equal to 1. Since nakalagay dito divide by 2, we can just simply divide 2 sa given na whole number, which is 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, there's no need to put 2 here. 3 by the quantity of 4 minus 3y minus 2y is equal to 1. And what we're going to do, we need to distribute the 3 sa given na parentheses. So 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times negative 3y, that will be negative 9y minus 2y is equal to 1. And next, we need to get the like terms, which is negative 9y as well as negative 2y. So we need to subtract this. So that will be negative 11y. Okay, so bring down the 12 minus 11y is equal to 1. Then, like what I said earlier, we need to combine like terms, which is 1 and 12. So if we're about to substitute 12 dito, that will be negative 12. So that will be negative 11. So negative 11y is equal to 11, divided both sides by negative 11. So y will automatically be 1. Ito po ang coordinates ng y. Paano naman po yung x? Tingnan ulit natin ang substitute na equation ng x, which is 4 minus 3y divided by 2. So, ang maging kalabasan niyan, 4 minus 3, we need to substitute dy. So, that will be 1 over 2. So, this will be 3. So, 4 minus 3 over 2. So, 4 minus 3 is 1. Then 2. Kaya, the value of x is equal to 1/2. Ayan po. So, the coordinates for this question, x is equal to 1/2 and y is 1. I hope you learned something new. It's me, Bernard Escarial. Stacker out.